How many times can I call it? Maybe a million times. It's vital for our life. It's essential for our sanity. It's also important for our fulfillment in life. But what is freedom? And how can you know you have it? Freedom is what I describe as the ability to live your life to the fullest, without restriction or limitation. Today, we hear all kinds of freedom, and you may wonder if you experience freedom in those terms. From physical freedom to mental, financial, marital, and emotional freedom, we need freedom in every aspect of life. If you are not free, you cannot fully enjoy your life. Freedom is not just about being able to do something. It's not only about waking up when you want, going wherever you want, or eating whatever you want. It is also the ability to set goals and achieve them. It is the ability to discipline yourself to achieve what you desire in life. Freedom is a responsibility, a power placed in your hands to make choices that will set your life on a trajectory of excellence on earth. Perhaps, with all the burdens you carry now, you feel you are not free. You may be going through difficulties and challenges that make you feel as if things are not going right. I understand. While you might not be able to control everything around you or outside of you, you can control everything within you. You can control your thoughts. You can control your life. And that is the beauty of it. Freedom starts in the mind. It begins within. If you are not free inside, you cannot be free outside, and it will be difficult to experience freedom externally. Though, the world's system may be choking us, making us feel enslaved and oppressed, you can liberate your mind from it. You can free yourself from the stress and burdens of the world. You have an assignment to fulfill here, and it is your responsibility to fight for its fulfillment. In that you will find true joy and happiness. It is what brings lasting fulfillment. You might look at others and wish you were them. You may wish to have what they have or live the life they are living. But all those things are ephemeral, mere illusions. They are like clouds that will soon clear away. You don't strive for things that will perish. You work for things that will last. The fulfillment of your purpose is what truly endures, and that must be your focus. Freedom allows you to live your best life without worrying about whether you are living for someone else. People may have expectations of you, but they are not your creator. Their expectations are ultimately insignificant. Focus on your life and your purpose, because that is all that truly matters. Engage with freedom in your mind. Tap into your inner freedom and begin to manifest the richness of your life in all its glory and splendor. I see you rising beyond the limitations and expectations of the world. Cheers, kindly. Share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Read next. Are you clear about what you want this year? Will, you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.get books on Amazon. Amazon Books, check out our website. Wordflix X Publishers if you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony. Issei Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 3. The perfect gift for Christmas. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.